Why was the Civil Rights Act of 1960 passed after JFK's death? Have you ever wondered how a national tragedy can change the course of history? The Civil Rights Act of 1964 is a prime example of this phenomenon. This landmark legislation was passed after the assassination of President John F. Kennedy, who had been a strong advocate for civil rights. Although Kennedy proposed the bill in the summer of 1963, it had not yet completed the legislative process by the time of his death on November 22, 1963. Following Kennedy's assassination, Vice President Lyndon B. took office. Johnson was determined to carry on Kennedy's legacy and push for the Civil Rights Act. He had extensive experience in Congress and understood the importance of civil rights to the American people. Johnson recognized that the nation was in mourning and that there was a strong desire to honor Kennedy's memory through meaningful action. Johnson quickly rallied support for the bill. He had the backing of Robert Kennedy's Justice Department and many civil rights leaders who had long fought against segregation and discrimination. The bill faced significant opposition and was met with the longest continuous debate in Senate history. However, Johnson's political skills were crucial in navigating this challenging landscape. He worked tirelessly to secure bipartisan support, reaching out to Republican leaders who had previously endorsed the bill. Johnson's ability to unite different factions in Congress helped him gain the necessary votes to move the bill forward. On July 2, 1964, he signed the Civil Rights Act into law, marking a historic victory for Black Americans and the broader civil rights movement. The act outlawed discrimination based on race, color, religion, sex, or national origin. This was a monumental step towards equality and justice for all Americans. The passage of the Civil Rights Act of 1960 was not just a legislative achievement. It was a reflection of the collective efforts of countless activists and community leaders who had fought for civil rights over many years. In summary, the Civil Rights Act of 1960 was passed after JFK's death due to the determination of Lyndon B. Johnson, the emotional momentum following the tragedy, and the unwavering commitment of civil rights advocates. This legislation stands as a significant milestone in the ongoing struggle for equality in the United States.